Here is the Black Cube Ars Game power supply, 1000 watt gold modular power supply. Here is the Corsair Vengeance LPTX DDR4 memory, 16 gigabytes of RAM. We would have gone to 32, but we just decided to save a little money and get just the 16 gigabytes. That should be enough for video editing. Thank you. And here's where the memory goes, right here. These slots, and put them in a particular order. I don't think you need to put them in a particular order. If there is, then please give me a comment and see what it is. Thank you. The memory is in. We did it like that. Processor's in.